Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React. Today we are going to learn date and the time picker with clock. So here you can see that we have a beautiful nice analog time clock. So here you can see that it will change the time accordingly. So you can use this one. So it looks nice and you can use into your React project. So how we have implemented this one, let's dive into the code one. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So here you can see that we are using the time picker for the analog time picker and the React multi date picker. And what we have to do, just format, pass and plugins time picker at step 2, step 2 and that's step 4. So just by passing this one, you are able to get the analog time picker with date one. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day and don't forget to like, share and comment on my video. Have a nice day.